Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna dive deep into circles. Okay, so let's just dive right in. So there's a general equation of a circle. Okay? So this is just pretty simple. X minus this point, okay? This is center, the point of center, okay? So x minus the x coordinate of the center whole square plus y minus the y coordinate of the center whole square is equal to the square of the radius. So we can even expand this. So you can expand this if you want, but the easiest form is this one. Okay. So this is the radius of the circle. Then that's the center, and now you know the equation. What if the center is at origin? That's x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And that's because when it's in the origin, the center becomes 0, 0, which means h and k are just nothing, okay? You can just ignore this. So now, let's say they give you the center and a random point on the circle, okay? Now you just use the distance formula and you can easily find the radius. So the actual general form of a circle is this. So here, as we dive deep down, you can see that f is equal to minus h, d is equal to minus k, and c equals h squared plus k squared. And now we have a few formulas. The center is minus f by 2 comma minus g by 2. Okay? So what? Okay, now radius equals the square root of f squared plus d squared minus c. I gotta keep on passing up the videos because I have to make sure if I cover everything, right? That's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.